Hello everyone, this is Anita and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn some vocabulary which avoids the word very. Most of the time we use the word very. When we converse with our family or friends, we use the word very so many times. I am very tired, I am very happy, she is very angry, she is very beautiful, weather is very calm. Though you are using very, it is good. But what do you think? Does it sound good? No, it doesn't sound good. If you have begun learning English just a while ago, then it is okay because it is basic. But if you really want to improve your English, make your vocabulary attractive, stop saying very. It is not sufficient enough. So instead of using very, why don't you use some set of word where there is no need to use the word very? So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first word is very easy, effortless, very little, tiny, very careful, cautious, very clear, obvious, very creative, innovative, very confused, perplexed, very bad, terrible, very funny, hilarious, very big, huge या फिर gigantic, very eager, keen, very often, frequently, very nice, kind, very old, ancient, very fast, quick, very clever, intelligent, very afraid, fearful, very angry, furious, very lazy, indolent, very short, brief, very cheap, stingy, very boring, dull, very quick, rapid, very bad, awful, very glad, overjoyed, very friendly, amiable, very fancy, lavish, very deep, profound, very talented, gifted, very sure, certain, very sorry, apologetic, very simple, basic, very rich, wealthy, very excited, thrilled, very tasty, delicious, very clean, spotless,